because it looks awkward the other way. Hey guys, what's up? If you're new, my name is Kate. If you're not, welcome back. So today, wait, before starting, please subscribe if you haven't already, because if you like my videos, why not? So today I have a very special video for you guys in partnership with Loft. I actually did a video shoot with them and it was amazing. It was a really good experience. They are launching their Love List collection, which is what I'm wearing right now, and I will also show you guys a full body photo of the outfit that they gifted me. They're launching their Love List line September 18th, so I hope you guys check it out. The link will be down below. So if you guys want to know how I achieved this look, please keep watching. So before we get started with the tutorial, I want to show you guys the products that I used yesterday to style my hair. So what I used on wet hair is the Dad Vital Curl Define and Shine Styling Gel Cream, really nice, and also the Dad Vital Curl Soft Defining Mousse. It was my first time trying these products and the results were amazing. Yesterday, obviously because it was first day hair, my curls looked more defined, but they're still really good today. So I just want to mention that those are the products that I use to style my hair, and I'm going to use two other products to put on my hair and style it today. So sometimes before I do an updo, I like to re-wet or add a product onto my hair already, just to like calm the frizz down, and that way it doesn't get disturbed while I'm like playing with it, trying to put it up. So today I'm going to use the John Frieda Frizz Ease Secret Weapon Touch Up Creme, and I'm going to apply it on dry hair because sometimes I do that, and other times I just re-wet it and then apply the product. Just got inspired to do a sleek pineapple because this shirt already says a lot. There's a lot going on, so I don't really want my hair to be down. I feel like it doesn't look too good. I feel like it would look better if my hair was up but still showing my curls. So that's what we're going to do today. I'm going to brush my hair a little bit in the front. For gel, I'm going to use the Tresemme Tress Gel Extra Hold Hair Gel for all hair types. This gel smells so good. It reminds me of my childhood when I was younger because I used to use that gel a lot. And I'm using it again now. Put it on top and on the bottom. So I usually wear long big hoop earrings, but because this shirt already says a lot, I'm going to wear simple gold small hoop earrings. I like to just clip this side right here so it falls more onto the right side, and then I like to clip it in the back. That way it doesn't like fall to the back. And there we go. This is one of the outfits I was shooting with, and I love it so much. I definitely want to wear this out to an event or somewhere, so I think it's so cute. Love the pants, really comfortable. The cardigan, it's cozy and it's like cute, and the shirt just goes amazing with this whole outfit. I also like the detailing on the sleeves, so if you wear a cardigan over this shirt, you can just pull it up a little bit and you will see the details. I love it so much. This is another look on the outfit. Love it.